Hey everyone, how's it going? So we've gotten a lot of really good reviews from our drawings of the show Heroes of Goo-Jitsu. We've drawn several different characters, and now today I want to draw another character, and that is Hydra, the three-headed dragon creature. So I hope you guys enjoy and get to follow along. Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the three-headed Hydra character from Heroes of Goo-Jitsu. Now to start off with this, I want to begin in the middle of my paper towards the top, and I want to draw the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to come up at an angle. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, leave some space, I'm going to go down, and then come up at an angle, kind of like a little check mark. Next, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and it's going to curve up. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go down and then I'm going to curve up. Next, starting right here, I'm going to make the mouth. So I'm going to start here and it's going to be a line that goes down and then it's going to come up and like a smile. And then I'm going to draw another one that just goes down, and then it's going to come up like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, and then another one here for some teeth, and then I'll do two on the bottom as well. Now, starting right here by the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down. And then I'll do one over here. It's going to go up, and then it's going to come down at a point for some of the spikes. We'll make these a little longer here. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw one that goes up and then down. And then I'm going to draw one up and down here, and another one up and down over here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to curve down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a line that goes out, and it's going to curve down. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes around the mouth, and it's going to come right back up here. And then I'm going to draw two little dots for the nose. And also I'm going to add two little dots for the pupils. Next, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that goes down for the neck, and another one right here that goes down for the neck. Now over here I want to draw another head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up like a check mark. And then I'm going to draw another one that goes down and then up like this for another check mark. I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to curve up for the eye. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. I'm going to start right by the eye and I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve up here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come back like this. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curves around for the mouth. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to come down. I'm going to draw a long line here that goes up, and it's going to come down here. I'm going to leave a little space, draw one that goes out and down here. And then one here that goes out, and then it's going to come right down here to the mouth. Then I'm going to add another little point here, and then a small one right there. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes right down here. We're going to connect it to this neck here. And then I'm going to draw another one that just goes right down here. Then I'm going to add 2 little pupils, and then 2 little dots for the nose. And then I'm going to add some teeth in here. Now, starting over here, we want to draw the next head. So, just how I did this one over here, I'm going to start by drawing a little line that goes down and up like a check mark, and then another one right next to it. I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to curve up, and we'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and come down, comes to a point and then goes down. We'll draw another line that goes up. It's going to come down here, kind of looks like a shark fin. Leave some space, draw another one that goes out and then down. Then right here, I'm going to draw one that goes out, and I'm just going to go down this time, and then I'm going to bring it up right here by the eye. Then right here, I'm going to add a line that goes up and down like this, and then one that goes right here. Next, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and it's going to curve around. And I'm going to draw another one that goes down, and then it's going to curve around right up to here. Then I'll add some little teeth in here. 2 dots for the nose, and then the pupils in the eye. Next, we'll draw a line that goes right here to this part of the neck, and then one that goes right to here. So now that we have the neck of our Hydra drawn, we want to draw the body. So to do this, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down on each side. We're just going to go out a little bit and then down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and it's going to curve down. I'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up and just curve down. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes back. I'm going to make another one that goes down and curves back. And then one more right here that goes down. I'm going to curve this down and then around like this. So we'll do the same thing here. We'll just kind of hook this back. I'll draw one that goes up and then curves down. Another one that goes down. This is going to curve around here for the hand. Then we'll make a little line that curves back, kind of like a little shark fin for the thumb. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up. And then the same thing over here. We're going to go down, and then we're just going to bring this up. Right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines that go down for the body. And then we're just going to connect it like this. We're going to make 2 lines that go down just a little farther. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out and then down on each side for the legs. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over. Do it one more time here. And then one more time right here. We're going to go over really far. Same thing here. We're just going to go out towards the bottom of our paper and over. One more a little lower, and then one more right here, and we're going to go over like this for the foot. Then I'm going to bring this line up on each side. Draw a little line across. Then right here, we're going to draw a diagonal line, and then another diagonal line right here for the shorts. And there you go. There is your drawing of Hydra from the Heroes of Goo-Jitsu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.